Hello, hello, look what we have here. You're just in time. The great Mendeleev contemplating the elements known to man. Who was the first scientist to start looking at the elements and try to order them? Well, the first person we need to look at is Dobereiner. In the 1800s, the only thing he knew was that each element's atomic mass, and that's how they were originally arranged. Dobereiner tried to put the elements into groups based on their properties, i.e. how they react. He put the elements into groups of 3 and called them triads. For example, lithium, sodium, potassium are in one group, chlorine, bromine, iodine another. What he found out was the mass number of the outer 2 elements were the average of the middle. For example, lithium's mass is 7, sodium's 23 and potassium 39. The average of potassium and lithium's mass is 23. So our next old chap was this guy, Newlands. Newlands noticed that every 8th element had similar properties. Their boiling point, their melting point, the way they react. So he started to list the elements in groups of 7. He noticed that the 8th element in every row had similar properties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, this row here had similar properties. But, silly old Newman, his pattern just fell to pieces on the 3rd row. He left no gaps. His work was criticised. He even mixed up metals and non-metals. And some of the groups had elements that didn't have similar properties. Let us go back to the great Dmitri Mendeleev. Here he is at back. In 1869, Mendeleev arranged all the elements into a table of the elements. He put the elements in order of atomic mass, just like Newlands, but Mendeleev left gaps. A clever man. This kept elements with the similar properties in the same vertical groups. And the gaps meant the pattern didn't break down, like Newlands.